Hi there, this is Jim with This Soul Coach, Everything RV, and it's January here in Nashville, and I've had some issues with my furnace not working, and I'm going to get into it and see what's going on. And you need a few tools, a drill, and then a voltage tester, and to see if possibly you got a bad cell switch or a high-low switch on the inside. So anyway, we're going to take this apart. These pieces come off fairly easy, just with the drill. You want to pull off this chrome piece right here, and that gives you access to the inlet and outlet of the heater, and that little piece comes out. It's kind of got a little circular funnel, and that goes on the bottom. The rest of these screws come out pretty easy. Yeah, we can get into it and see what's going on with it. So this panel comes off fairly easy. Sometimes that butyl tape will make it stick a little bit, but there you go. And that exposes the inner workings of your furnace. We can get it a little closer here, and as you can see, inlet and outlet. Here's the blower motor, and right here is the cell switch. And a lot of times these cell switches go bad, and you can check the ohms on here to see if the switch is bad. When the fan comes on, the cell switch recognizes and tells the gas relay that there's air moving through the system. So I'm going to go ahead and check this right quick. Okay, so I've got my Craftman voltage tester, and I've got it set on ohms, 200. And what you want to do is just take your prods and pins, and you kind of come in here. Make sure that they're getting contact on the positive and negative, and then you can stick your finger in here and activate that switch. And all right, so we're getting good readings on that, so we know that the switch is good. We're getting current through the switch, so the cell switch is okay. And so I'm going to try doing another little trick that I've done before, and that is to do a little vacuum. What a lot of times I'll do is I'll take my shop vac and I'll stick it in on top of one here, because a lot of times we get, birds or whatever, or dirt daubers here in Tennessee, and they'll build a nest in there, and if that creates blockage, it's not going to allow this to light. And when I turn on the furnace, the fan comes on, but it wasn't lighting. So we got to try to figure out why that's happening. Okay, so since I'm on the outside of the rig and everything like that, I am going to try to do the little vacuum trick to see if there's any debris in there. So I've got my my shop vac, and turn it on. I just stick it in one of these. Ooh. Yeah, you can definitely feel stuff coming out of there. So, so I like to, just take the hose, put it in on both sides, and this little piece too comes off. Drop back one, push right on there. Just let it suck all that stuff out of there. Sometimes that can be a problem, with debris getting inside the unit and interfering with the lighting. So. Let it suck out for a little bit. I definitely felt some debris coming out of there, dirt daubers. All right. Sometimes it's an easy fix, and then other times it's not so easy. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go ahead and turn it on, see what happens. Okay, turn it on from the inside. We'll see what happens. See if it decides to cooperate. Okay. Fan is turned on. You can see the sail switch from the air being circulated by the fan. Ooh. Ooh. Oh yeah! Heck yeah! Well, easy fix for me. I can definitely tell that the flame that it lit, and there's definitely hot air coming out of there instead of right here. So that's just an easy fix for your furnace. Sometimes you have other problems, you know, like the high temperature switch on the inside. It could be a bad electrode that lights the furnace, but in my case I got really lucky, and it just happened to be some debris inside the air lines. So all right, well, that was an easy fix. I hope this helped you out a little bit, and you know, try the easy stuff first. You know, go for the low-hanging fruit, because sometimes it's just a matter of just a little bit of something in the way of the airflow. But anyway, I got lucky this time, so I hope this helped you out, and love to hear your comments. And do me a favor, and if you want to subscribe, that'd be great too. Hit the like button. And I'm trying to grow this channel, and I know I'm not the, you know, I don't have the most professional setup and everything, but I am trying. So anyway, God bless you guys, and we'll talk to you later.